What's good, guys? Pictures by Schoolboy here, and welcome back to yet another video. Now I'm really excited about today's video because it has been in the making for quite some time now, and as you can tell from the title of the video, it's a collaborative photo shoot that we did for Valentine's Day, which happens to be today. So if you are watching this video, happy Val's Day to you. And yeah, let's get right into it. So it was a collaborative photo shoot with Amateur Makeover. That was the makeup artist and the fashion designer, which is YB Stitches, and she also happened to be the model for that day as well. So she designed the clothes, she sewed the clothes, the dress, and also she wore it. She was the model for that day, so a big shout out to her. It was a 2-light setup basically. If you've been watching my channel for some time now, you know when it comes to the studio, I have 2 lights as at this moment. I have 2 lights, which is my Godox AD200 and my Godox SK400 Mark II. These are the 2 lights that I used. And yeah, I think everything went amazing. I really love the way the pictures turned out. I really love the way the dress turned out, the makeup, everything, and I think everything was successful. Now before we get right into the video, I want you guys to know that 90% of you watching my videos hasn't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you check down below, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Enjoy.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 Are you listening? Damn.